We create a home that secures our future for the long term, and also a home for generations to come. That is what counts. At LTS, we are the epitome of made in Germany. Our research, development and manufacturing are all at home here. From the heart of Europe, from Europe for Europe. Short procurement routes lead to short delivery times and greater sustainability. All done locally from Tettnang on Lake Constance. And with the guarantee, made by LTS. Our local manufacturing allows for tailor-made solutions. Highest quality materials and finish, ultra-fine precision down to the smallest detail. We also fulfill our social responsibility every day. For over 25 years, we have provided work opportunities for people with disabilities. For us, this means responsible, sustainable luminaries such as Ilvy, super simple assembly with an almost tool-free modular setup thanks to click-and-go technology. This saves material, conserves valuable resources and benefits our environment. With quality intended for our future, our light for generations. Ilvy.